How to download LibreOffice software. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. After that, go to the search box and simply type LibreOffice download. After that, you will see the official website of LibreOffice. Simply tap on it. And then after, you will see the version of Windows. Simply click on it and shortly, depending upon the Wi-Fi speed of your device, the file will be downloaded. After that, simply double tap on it and the LibreOffice application will be set up on your device. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to download LibreOffice on your laptop or PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.